students, how are you all? Now today we will learn English subject, okay? Now poem 2, Home Sweet Home. Poem 2, Home Sweet Home. Okay? So first we will revise hard words. We will revise hard words. See hard words number 1. H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. Number 2 is S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. Number 3, M-U-D, mud. Number 4, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Number 4, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Number 5, S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. Number 6, U-N-D-E-R, under. Number 7, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Okay? Number 8 is windmill. Number 8 is windmill. Okay? Number 9. 9 number is above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Number 10 is chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. Number 11. S-A-F-E, safe. Number 12, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Number 13, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 14, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Okay. Number 15, the last word is A-D-O-R-E, adore. So now you listen. These words we have learned. We are learning these 2 times. So last lecture I told you hard words and you must have done in the homework also. Okay. So you have to learn this homework. Now see the meanings. Meanings. Okay, first word is B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Now what is the meaning of blocks? Blocks are large solid pieces. L-A-R-G-E, large. S-O-L-I-D-E, solid. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Okay, number 2 is windmill. It is a machine. Now you have seen many houses, they have windmills on it. It is a machine. Windmill tells about the wind. Okay, it gives information about the wind. Okay, so now number 4 is number 3 is sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Now, meaning of sound is I-N-G-O-O-D, good. Condition. See the spelling of condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N. Condition. Okay. The meaning of sound is in good condition. Number 4 is, see number 4. You all know the spelling. Yes, read it. A-D-O-R-E. Adore. Now the meaning of adore is love. L-O-V-E, love. Okay. See now meanings also we have done this. We have last lecture we did meaning. This is your revision. Okay. Then comes fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. There are blanks given. You have to fill it. Okay. I am reading now. Number 1. A home can be made of sticks and, yes, you all know, sticks and mud. M-U-D, mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Number 2 is a dash can have a windmill above. I told you first, no? So, who can have a which things can have a windmill above? Yes, can be a home. 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 A home can have a windmill above. And I told you, no, windmill. Windmill is a machine which tells us about the wind. Okay. So now FB number 3. A home can be under the, you have seen this, it is under the ocean. It can be under the ocean also. A home can be under the ocean. Okay. Now see. Now number 4. See FB number 4. FB number 4 is a home can have a dash on its side. What can it have on its side? A home can have a chimney. Chimney. Chimney on its side. Yes, it can have a chimney on its side. You know the spelling of chimney? Chimney. Chimney on its side. Number 5. See the number 5. Can you able to read it? Yes, read it. You can be safe and sound in a home. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay. During the corona also you were at home only, no? You were safe there. Yes. Okay. Now see. Fill in the blanks. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can have a windmill above. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean. Number 4, a home can have a chimney on its side. Okay now? Number 5, see number 5. Look at the words given. You can be safe and sound in a home. Have you understood this? Again, I will make you to revise the FB. FB means fill in the blanks. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can have a windmill above. A home can be under the ocean. A home can have a chimney on its side. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay now, see now. True or false? True or false? Number 1. See number 1. A home can be made of sticks and mud. We have read in the lesson, no? And I told you that true or false. True means those sentences which are right are called true. And that sentences which are wrong, they are false. You have learned this, okay? A home can be made of sticks and mud. So thus this sentence is true. Okay? A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be 2 stories tall only. No, it cannot be 2 stories tall only. It can be 20 stories tall. It can be a tall building also. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Number 3. See number 3. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. Yes, we have learned in the poem that it can be under the ocean also. So this sentence is true. Now you know the spelling of true. You know the spelling of true. Yes, T-R-U-E. True. A home can be under the ocean. That sentence is True. Very good. Okay, now number 4. You can be safe and sound in a forest. No, forest is not safe. Safe. Home is safe. Forest is not safe because there are wild animals. Okay, we are unsafe in the forest. So you can be safe and sound in the forest. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Okay, now see, revise. Again I am revising this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. True. A home can be 2 stories tall only. False. Number 3 is a home can be under the ocean. True. You can be safe and sound in a forest. It is false. Okay. Now see again. We will learn this. Give one word. There are words. Many words are there. So we have to write the one word for that all words. Okay. Give one word. Only one word you have to write. So you all know these levels or floors in a building. What is that level or a floors in the building? They are stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories. Levels or floors in a building. Stories. Number 2. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. What is this? Chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. You all know this spelling. Okay. So again, see this levels or floors in a building. It is stories. Stories spelling S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories. Number 2 is a passage to let the smoke out of a house. That one word is chimney. C-H-I. Okay, levels or floors in a building is stories. A passage to let the smoke out of a house is chimney. Okay, now see rhyming words. You all know rhyming words. They are sound. They have same sound. The sound with is same. So I have taught you in that last lecture of English when I told you about poem 2. Yes, we have learned this. Sun, S-U-N, sun. So the rhyming word of sun is bun. Okay, so rhyming word is bun. B-U-N, bun. Sun, bun. Okay, see S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. Again I am reading it. Sun, bun. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. Number 2 is P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. So it is L-E-T, let. L-E-T, let. Pet, let. The rhyming words for pet is let. Ball. Now number 3 is ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So it is fall, ball, fall. Spelling of fall, F-A-L-L, fall. B-A-L-L, ball. F-A-L-L, fall. Okay. Now number 4 is K-I-T, kit. K-I-T, kit. See, now we have to write one rhyming words. Means you have to write that word which rhymes with kit. Last letter should be same. Okay, the sound should be same. K-I-T, kit. B-I-T, bit. So it is kit, bit. Kit, bit. K-I-T, kit. B-I-T, bit. Okay. Now last one. Number 5. D-O-G, dog. The rhyming word is L-O-G, log. Dog, log. Dog, log. Okay. See, again we will revise these rhyming words. Sun, barn. Sun, barn. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, barn. Number 2 is pet. P-E-T, pet. L-E-T, let. Pet, let. Ball, fall. B-A-L, ball. F-A-L-L, fall. Number 4 is kit. K-I-T, kit. B-I-T, bit. Kit, bit. Number 5, dog, log. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. Okay. Now see next one. This is reading comprehension. So you have to tick the correct answer. You have to put the tick mark. Okay. First I will read it. Understood? Tick the correct answer. This you have to first read. See that 2 options are given. A home can be made of. Boxes are given. See, first box, sticks and leaves, and next box is sticks and mud. So the answer is sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Okay, you are understanding, no? A home can be made of sticks and mud. Number 2 is, see, a home can have 20 stories, and second option is 10 stories. So it is, a home can have 20 stories or 10 stories. A home can have 20 stories. Okay, a home can have 20 stories. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean or trees. 2 options are given. Can you see the options? Ocean, trees. A home can be under the ocean. Okay, the home can be under the ocean. Number 4, you can be safe and sound in a forest or home. You can be safe and sound in a home. So right answer is home. Okay. See, you can be safe and sound in a home. Number 5, in your home, you can be with family and friends, and next option is only family. So in your home you can be with family and friends. Okay? Yes. See, now again I am reading this. Tick the correct answer. Number 1, a home can be made of sticks and mud. 2 options are given. Okay. Number 1, sticks and leaves. Sticks and mud. So correct answer is sticks and mud. Number 2 is, a home can have 20 stories or 10 stories. It can have 20 stories. So the tick mark is 20 stories. Okay. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. See, 2 options are given. Ocean or trees. So it can be under the ocean. There are homes under the ocean. Okay. Number 4 is, you can be safe and sound in a forest or home? Yes, you can be safe and sound in home. You cannot be safe in the forest. There are wild animals. Okay. Number 5. In your home, you can be with family and friends or only family? Yes, you can be with family and friends. Okay. Now see, answer these questions. You have to answer these questions. Last time also I have told you, no, how you have to answer questions. First one, see, look here. You have to read this and then only you can write answer. So first read it. Okay. See, there is a question mark at the end of the question. I am reading, you listen it carefully so that you will be able to read. Okay. What are the things with which a home can be made? See your question mark. Okay. What are the things with which a home can be made? You can see the question mark. It is a question. So that last it is a question mark. Answer 1. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Now this sentence answer, there is a full stop. Okay. So a home can be made of sticks and mud. Understood? There is a full stop in the end. Can you see this full stop? Yes. It is answer. It is a sentence. So in the end of the sentence, there is a full stop. Now question number 2. What can a home have above it? See, it is a question. So question mark. Yes. What can a home have above it? We have learned this. A home can have a windmill above it. Understood? A home can have a windmill above it. Okay, see again, I am revising it. What are the things with which a home can be made? Answer is, a home can be made of sticks and mud. What can a home have above it? Question number 2. What can a home have above it? Answer is, a home can have a windmill above it. Okay, now you all know these question answers. Again we will revise it. Yes? See, first we will read the hard words, then meanings, hard words. Number 1 is HOME, home. Number 2, STICKS, sticks. Number 3, MUD, mud. Number 4, BLOCKS, blocks. Number 5, STOREYS, stories. Number 6, UNDER, under. Number 7 is OCEAN, ocean. Number 8, windmill. Spelling of windmill is WINDMILL. Okay. Now number 9, ABOVE, above. Number 10, CHIMNEY, chimney. Number 11, SAFE, safe. Number 12, SOUND, sound. Number 13, FAMILY, family. Number 14, FRIENDS, friends. And number 15 is ADORE, adore. Okay. Now this we will revise it. Okay. Once all the meanings, FBTF, everything today we will revise it now. Meanings: blocks, large, solid pieces. Blocks are large, solid pieces. Number 2 is windmill. Windmill, a machine. Number 3, sound, sound. Sound is, meaning is in good condition. Adore, love, love. Okay, these were the meanings. Now, see this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can have a windmill above. Number 3 is a home can be under the ocean. 4 number, a home can have a chimney on its side. Number 5 is you can be safe and sound in a home. Okay, these were. Now true or false? See again. We will revise it what we learned today, no? Yes, true or false? A home can be made of sticks and mud. So this sentence is true. A home can be 2 stories tall only. No, it can be many-story building. So a home can be not only 2 stories tall, but it can be tall, 20 stories tall also. So this sentence is false. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean. True. Number 4, you can be safe and sound in a forest. False. Okay. Now give one word. See, give one word. A levels or floors in a building. It is called stories. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. It is chimney. You see the spelling of chimney. Then comes rhyming words. I told you, I explained you. Again I am telling that rhyming words are the words which spell, which have same sound. Sun, burn. Pet, let. Ball, fall. Kit, beat. Dog, log. Okay. Now this comprehension, reading comprehension. Tick mark, tick the correct answer. You have to tick. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Number 2, a home can have 20 stories. A home can be under the ocean. Number 4, you can be safe and sound in a home. Number 5, in your home you can be with family and friends. Okay. Now comes the question answers. We will revise it one time. Question 1. What are the things with which a home can be made? Question mark is there. It is a question. Answer is a home can be made of sticks and mud. Question 2. What can a home have above it? Answer 2 is a home can have a windmill above it. Okay. Very good. Now, you all have learned this, what I showed you, one by one, you read today. Okay. So, hard words, meanings, FB, true or false, give one word, rhyming words. You all learned this, no? And at the last, you learned question answers also. So, revise this poem, Home Sweet Home, read it. Okay. Yes. You will read, no? Do your homework properly. Okay. Be careful and don't go out. Listen to your parents. Write your work with good handwriting. Okay. Yes.